Hello, friends. In this video, we're going to talk about the volleyball player positions. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. What are the volleyball player positions? The setter, the middle blocker or middle hitter, the outside hitter, the opposite hitter, the libero. The setter in volleyball. The setter in volleyball is the brains of a team because he or she is responsible for defining the attacking playing action. Setter's techniques. The main technique performed by the setter is the setter volley. Volleyball setter in action. The middle blocker or middle hitter in volleyball. The middle blocker, also called center, middle hitter, is the player positioned at the center of the net, or the attack zone, position 3. Middle blocker's techniques. The middle blocker is specialized in blocks. The middle blocker in the attack. In the offensive play, the middle blocker is responsible for the quick attacks at the center of the net. Outside hitter in volleyball. The outside hitter is an attacking player that attacks mainly in position 4, attack in the left side of the front court. The outside hitter in the defense. The outside hitter in the defense zone is a good passer and part of the serve reception row along with the libero. The outside hitter may play attacking balls at the backcourt, jumping from before the attack line or 10-foot or 3-meter line. The opposite hitter. The opposite hitter is an attacker specialized in attack in position 2, on the right side. The term opposite is linked to the fact that this player is positioned opposite to the setter, which makes it easier for him or her to receive the greatest number of balls to attack. Position of the opposite hitter in the defense. The opposite does not take part in the reception of the service. He or she must be positioned in position 1 when his or her team is under attack. The opposite hitter in action. The libero in volleyball. The libero is a defensive specialist, specialized in passing and defense. Libero's limitations. The libero may not attack when the ball is above the upper edge of the net. He or she may not block or attempt to block. The libero wears a different colored jersey than the rest of the team. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may also watch other videos here.